Hi everyone, I am G. Lohit from SRT, second BTech Mechanical Engineering. Today I wanna explain about the topic called ceramics. So let's look at the forward about in depth about the topic and the introduction. I wanna explain about introduction of ceramics and classification and importance of the ceramics, comparison of ceramics with the metals. So we can forward to next. So first Firstly, we wanna introduce what is mean by ceramics. Ceramics is inorganic non-metallic material made from the powdered chemicals. They are typically formed by the shaping and then firing at the high temperatures. Common examples include the pottery, bricks, tiles, and porcelain. So, so firstly, you want to know about what is mean by ceramics. Ceramics is a inorganic compound that is made with the non-metallic materials, which will be made with the combination of powdered chemicals, and they are used for the some works. So we are used the some examples for of ceramics is glass, cements, poetry, and these type of some clay type of materials is called ceramics. And historical context, ceramics date back thousands of years with the early examples found in the Asian cultures. The first use ceramics are primarily for the functional items like cookware and storage vessels. Over time ceramics evolved into artistic expressions and advanced technological materials. So first in the ancient times the ceramics are found in the so many times long back years ago. The ceramics are used for the some household cookware, like making pots with the ceramic materials, and storage wells like storing any preservative food items for a long time. And when you are evolving, the humans are used for the ceramics in that some technological materials, like in advanced, like you can what you say that we can make the ceramics into an advanced way. So I can explain in further next. So we can go. What is composition of ceramics? Okay, the composition is basically known as mixing of any another material with the one material to make the its properties better way. You can see over there, you can see their picture, what's called different types of ceramics based on their compositions. Ceramics are primarily composed of the clay, silica, and other additives. So what it's saying means the ceramics are primarily composed with the clay and silica, and composition means the mixing. The specific composition determines the final properties and applications of ceramics. Applications of ceramics. Sorry for the delay. So what is mean by composition of ceramics? We can what is mean by composition? Composition means adding the another material over one material and making its properties for the better before once. You can see over that picture the different types of ceramics based on their composition. So ceramics are primarily composed. Composed means mixing, guys, of complain. So ceramics are composed with the clay, silica, and other additives. And the specific properties determines that final and application of the ceramics. So I said before what the composition means. So there you can look the point there. And the firing process causes the chemical and physical changes that enhance the durabilities. And after the composition they do the some processes like firing means we can fire with the high temperatures of the ceramics, and so it will be increases its physical changes, so it enhances the durability. So enhancing means it will comes more time durability with no any damage. So next, Traditional ceramics. What is meant by traditional ceramics? Traditional ceramics with no traditional ceramics means there is no usage of any chemical items like any. So they are only made up of with clay and nature. So they are called traditional ceramics. Their traditional ceramics are obtained used in the everyday like dishes, building of material. So the ceramics are traditional ceramics are you are seeing daily in your life like dishes and storage vessels. I said before, and they are generally in less expensive and easier to produce and then advanced ceramics. They are generally you can buy cheaply, guys, and easier to produce, and we can make them easily than advanced ceramics. um, there are authentic qualities make them decorative purposes as well. Okay, next we can move forward. Advanced ceramics. Advanced ceramics includes the material like silicon and carbonate and aluminum. These ceramics are made with the materials like silicon, carbonate and aluminum. These material exhibits superior strength, thermal stability, resistance to the wear. These plays the crucial role in the high-tech applications such as aerospace, electronics and medical experiences. So I said before, what is the difference between traditional ceramics and advanced ceramics? The traditional ceramics are used for the some types of works. These are used for the another next step and next level to next level. So these are made with the adding of silicon, carbonate and alumina. So these exhibits the, so by adding these types of material, it will be increases the strength, thermal stability. Thermal stability means to resist the heat during any works, and the resistance of wire. Also it good conductor, bad conductor of electricity that rejects the electricity. And these plays the crucial role in the applications such as these ceramics are used in the different types of applications like in aerospace, in aircrafts, in electronics like PVC pipes, switches, holders, like all electronic items. The usage of ceramics will be there, and medical devices, some types of medical devices as well as these are used by in advanced ceramics. Next, and properties of ceramics. Properties of ceramics. Ceramics are known as for their hardness, brittleness, low thermal conductivity. They are exhibits the excellence, thermal stability and resistance chemical reaction. These properties make the ceramics suitable for the high temperature and corrosive environment. So there are some types of mechanical properties, and there will be also a general properties for ceramics like a fluctual strength, creep, hardness, deformation, chemical durability and brittleness. So these makes the ceramics special, guys. This because ceramics are known for their hardness. They are basically a very hard material and brittle, and they are also low thermal conductivity. It is the main reason for excessive use of ceramics, and it exhibits the high thermal, excellent thermal conductivity and resistance of chemical reaction. These also involves in the there is high thermal excellent thermal stability. This also excellent thermal stability and resistance of chemical corrosion. These are ceramics are non-metallic items, so that's why there is no chemical reaction or chemical erosion between in ceramics, and these properties make the ceramics suitable for high temperature. So we can take metal, it will be not up to some degree it will burn. You can take ceramics, it has the high temperature and corrosive and non-corrosive environments. These make the ceramics over the metal special, guys. So important of ceramics. Ceramics plays the vital role in the various industries including the construction, electronics, healthcare. Their durability, low thermal conductivity makes them ideal for insulating material. Ceramics also crucial in the development of cut-edging technologies like semiconductors. So I said before, ceramics plays the vital role in all the industries like medical, electronical, constructions industries. Because these are less cost, and these have the thermal conductivity and low high durability, brittleness, and also main the reason was this gets lesser amount than metals. So these also some type of reasons, and ceramics also plays the crucial role in cut edging technologies like semiconductors. And ceramics in the constructions. Ceramics in the I said before, ceramics also used in the construction works. In the ceramics in the construction, ceramics are used for the tiles, bricks, sanitary wires. You know, in the tiles you can use in tiles also there is ceramics and bricks. We have to, and ceramics in electronics. And I said before, the ceramics also used in the electronic works. They are the they are bad conductors of electricity, so they are used as the insulators in capacitor insulators. As some in electric components, ceramics are essential in electronic components such as capacitor insulators. There are the electrical insulator properties enable the safe operations of the devices. So advanced ceramics also used as the sensors and semiconductor technologies. So I said before, there is the matter of, they are saying like that they are the good conductor, they are the bad conductors of electricity, so they are used for the insulators and also used as the sensors and semiconductors in technologies. And ceramics in medicines, yeah, they are also used in the medical and department. Ceramics are utilized in the medical applications such as dental implements, prosthetics. There are biocompatibility makes the search for long-term body implementation. They also plays a role in drug delivery systems and tissue engineering. So whatever they are, the all components used in the ceramic. So now we can compare the ceramics and metals. Ceramics are generally harder and more brittle than the metals, leading the different mechanical properties. Metals are typically more ductile and can withstand greater stress without breaking. The thermal and electrical conductivity of the metals are usually higher than that of ceramic. That will be also one of the main reasons for more usage of ceramics, because the metals has the higher conductivity of electricity, so you can't use the metals in everywhere. So this also one of the main reason. And the ceramics are generally harder and brittle more than metals, leading the in different mechanical properties. So these are also one of the another reason to uses of mechanical ceramics. And ceramics are typically more ductile, can without greater stress without breaking. So metals has the typically more ductile, so because of ductility it can break easily, so you can't use metals over there. So you can see the picture and you can understand the difference between the metals and ceramics. And the advantages of ceramics over the metals. Ceramics exhibit the superior wear resistance and can withstand the high temperatures. They are less likely to corrode and make them ideal for harsh environment. And they are lightweight compared to the metals, can be advantages in many applications. So here also telling they are ceramics exhibit the superior wear resistance called they are good conductors of no, electricity, not they are bad conductors of electricity, and they are great insulators. So that's why it will stand in higher temperatures also, and they are not likely to corrode. So there is no corrosion in ceramics, and it will be ideal for the harsh temperature, harsh environmental like heavy rains and heavy and more light, and in winters and summers. And also they are very light and have the many advantages. So you can see that their picture and you can understand the what is mean by brittle, creep. So this is the properties of mechanical ceramics, you can see there. And limitations of ceramics compared to the metals. The brittle of ceramics can limit their usage application require the impact resistance. Because of their brittleness, they can break easily. There is no bending this type of knot, there is no, when you put the sudden impact load, it will break easily. So that's why this is the one of the limitations of the ceramics. And ceramics are the more challenging to work with the terms of shaping and joining. There is also very challenging work because of shaping and joining the ceramics, and repairing and recycling. Repairing and recycling of ceramics is complex with the metal. If the metal is damaged, we can replace or recycle that. But if ceramics is damaged, we can't replace or recycle this because it will break. So it is more complex to replace or recycle the ceramics. Conclusion. So I want to conclude that finally, ceramics are indispensable material with a wide range of application across the industries. There is a unique properties set them apart from the metals, making the suitable specific uses. And understanding the ceramics classification and more importance can be leads to the inventions of application. These so I want to clear that this presentation makes your overview on the ceramics highlighted there. So I hope you can understand what is mean by ceramics and their classifications and advantages over metals and materials. So this presentation provides the overview on the ceramics. So thank you all and have a nice day. Thank you.